If you have a close look, this composite shape has two rectangles, as you can see here. One rectangle and two rectangles. Let's call it bottom rectangle and this one top rectangle. Let's write the measurements. Bottom rectangle length is 12 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter. सिर्फ इतनी breadth लेंगे हम. Now let's calculate its area. सिर्फ इसका area calculate करेंगे हम. Area will be length into breadth. That means 12 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 60 centimeter square. Right? Now let's take top rectangle. What is the length of the top rectangle? We can see it here. Rectangle के opposite sides equal होती हैं. Top length हमें दी हुई है, that is 7 centimeter. So length of the top rectangle is 7 centimeter. And what is its breadth? 4 centimeter. And what will be the area of this rectangle? Area will be length into breadth, which is equal to 7 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 7 4s are 28 centimeter square. Now to find the area of this whole figure, we will just add these two areas. So total area will be 60 plus 28, which is equal to 88 centimeter square. So area of this whole figure is equal to 88 centimeters square. Now, if we want to calculate the perimeter, how will we calculate it? Perimeter is sum of all the sides, but any line inside the figure will not be calculated. तो हम किस किस को लेंगे कैलकुलेशन में? 12 centimeter. This is 5. लेकिन हमें ये पूरी साइड लेनी है. ये इतनी लेंथ 5 सेंटीमीटर है, लेकिन हमें ये पूरी लेनी है. ये लाइन और ये लाइन बराबर हैं, which is 4 centimeter. So 5 plus 4 is 9 centimeter. So we will take 9 here. Now 7, then 4. Now this length is not given. तो इसको कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? This whole length is 12 centimeter. इसमें से जब हम ये 7 सेंटीमीटर माइनस कर देंगे तो लेंथ हमारे पास बचेगी, which will be equal to 12 minus 7, 5 centimeter. So we will take 5 here and this side is also equal to 5 centimeter, क्योंकि opposite sides equal होती है rectangle में. बस अब इनको हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो हमें टोटल एरिया मिल जाएगा. 12 plus 9 is 21 plus 7 28 plus 4 32 32 plus 5 37 37 plus 5 42 centimeters. 42 centimeter is the total perimeter of this composite figure, right?